Now, you're going to want to start stuffing some rags around the perimeter here. And now, you don't want them stuck out too much because they're going to get in the way when you take the ring off. But if you stuff some rags and some paper towels, you know, into these various different crevices back here, you can get this set up because when we pull the fuel line and when we pull the pump itself, we're going to get some gas spillover. Okay? So, and you don't want to get it on your carpet, and you're going to want to take it up and out of the car as quickly as you can. So make yourself a path on how to do that. Now, we're also going to now take this clamp off. So this clamp itself is essentially a single use. With some funky tools, you can get the clamp to come off, but really when it comes down to it, it really is single use. So you can get a pick tool or a flat bladed screwdriver in to the bend here and start prying it free. And you can get it to come out and pry it up and away from the hose. When you do, you're going to get some gas that's going to leak. So you want to be prepared for that with some paper towels, so you can get this up and off. So go ahead and work that clamp off. And like I said, you can also use a very small bladed screwdriver, which this one is not small enough. Okay, but that's how you get that off. And then we're going to work to get the collar off next. All right, so a couple of things here really quickly.